Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an eclair. We'll start with the essential choux pastry, the light and airy base for our delicious treat. It's crucial to cook the flour, butter, and water mixture thoroughly on the stovetop until it forms a ball. Then, gradually beat in the eggs, one by one, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. This creates the perfect dough for piping. Now it's time to pipe our choux pastry. Use a large round or star tip to create uniform strips, about 3 to 5 inches long, on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Baking is a two-stage process. Start with a higher temperature for about 15 minutes to get a good rise, then reduce the heat to dry them out completely. This ensures they are crisp and hollow, ready for filling. With our choux shells baked and cooled, let's talk about fillings. The traditional choice is a smooth, rich pastry cream or crème pâtissière made with milk, egg yolks, sugar, and cornstarch. However, feel free to get creative. You could use a light diplomat cream, a tangy lemon curd, or even a simple whipped cream. Just make 3 small holes in the bottom of each eclair and pipe in your chosen filling. Finally, the finishing touch, the glaze. A classic chocolate ganache is perfect. Simply heat about 1/2 cup of heavy cream until simmering, then pour it over 4 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate. Stir until smooth and glossy. Dip the top of each cooled eclair into the warm ganache. For extra flair, you can add sprinkles, chopped nuts, or a contrasting white chocolate drizzle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.